Hi, welcome to 2K Investing. I'm AK. These pointers and systems are developed by 2K Investing and are based on technical analysis with educational purpose only. In this video, I will demonstrate on how to effectively trade using 2K basic pointers, especially for newbies. 2K basic pointers are developed purely based on technical analysis. Our target is to provide automated trade decision based on signal and indicators. Let me introduce what is 2K trading system. It consists of two elements, 2K basic pointers and 2K screener. In this video, I will touch at only 2K basic pointers. 2K basic pointers consist of 5 key elements, which is tricolor MA, SAR, signal, traffic light, and MCDX. With above pointers, combined with candlestick chart, it enables newbies like you to success to trade like a pro. You'll be able to recognize whether a particular counter is bullish or bearish, correction or uptrend, signal to entry, and banker chip strong or weak. We have identified 3 key problems which newbie face. Problem 1. Do you feel frustration of unable to identify effective indicators? Problem 2. Inexperienced investor unable to recognize price and volume trend. Problem 3. Unable to decide buy, hold, or sell. The 3 key problems mentioned just now are able to resolve using 2K basic pointers by tricolor MA and SAR. By using tricolor MA, we will only need to monitor candle position, whether above blue line or below blue line. With SAR red and green indicators, we can identify whether share price trend is turning strong or weak. Finally, we incorporate 2K trading system rule to exit once breached. As a conclusion, by simply adopt tricolor MA, SLR, and 2K trading system, we can judge whether a share price trend is strong or weak, and adopt 2K trading system rule to exit and safeguard our profit and capital. Next, I will show another 2 powerful pointers, signal and MCDX. 2K basic pointers are equipped with traffic light signal to show whether it is a dangerous zone to avoid or a safe zone to entry. Only consider to open position when traffic light is green, with showing of momentum and bottom catch signal. Last but not least, MCDX signal. It is able to provide us hint on whether banker chip is strong or weak. The more red bar, meaning the more stronger banker in control. To earn consistently in market, you need 2 basic requirements. First, you need a trading system to manage risks. We will elaborate more in 6-hour complimentary class. Second, you need tools to help you to make decisions and provide you direction. As a summary, let me summarize the strength of 2K basic pointers. Tricolor MA and SLR help us to identify price trend, whether it's strong or weak. Traffic light, safe to buy or dangerous to avoid. signal, accumulate, or wait. Finally, MCDX, banker control or not. That's the end of the introduction of 2K basic pointers. Feel free to like our page and join our Telegram channel and discussion group. For any inquiry about 2K basic pointers, please do PM us.